Over in Redwood City, a family is recovering after a home invasion. Police say that it happened at around 11 o'clock Thursday night, with neighbors reportedly yelling. Chronon's Amanda Harry spoke to the victim's daughter about how they're doing today. Amanda.
Yeah, I spoke to the daughter off camera. She says the whole family is very scared and that her mother was injured the worst. She had a cut on her forehead. I saw her. She had a mask on, but I'm told her lip is also busted.
This area is generally really good.
An unexpected crime in what neighbors say is usually a quiet neighborhood. Joe Delago says his wife heard the home invasion.
She heard a little commotion last night.
Police say it happened near Volota Road and Oak Avenue in Redwood City around 11 Thursday night. I spoke to the victim's daughter. She says she was with her parents just 15 minutes before the incident happened. She posted about it on nextdoor.com to let her neighbors know. Delago has lived in this neighborhood for about 30 years and has never seen anything like this.
It's really a great neighborhood otherwise, up to this point.
The victim's daughter says that 3 masked men went into the home, tased her father, and hit her mother in the head and mouth with a gun. They took a safe. Inside, there were important documents and all the money they had saved. They filed a report with Redwood City Police and are hoping the suspects are caught. Delago says he's keeping an eye out, but hopes nothing like this happens again.
Nowadays, it's starting to be a little bit more things happening like that, it seems to me.
The daughter tells me the suspects left in a light-colored BMW SUV and the back window was broken out.
Imagine, this sounds all so horrific. What exactly is the family thinking about doing moving forward? Maybe not even staying at that house?
They're actually not considering leaving. They say that they've lived here a long time. They own the duplex and they rent out the other half of it, so it's their livelihood. Live in Redwood City, Amanda Harry, KRON 4 News.
Thank you so much, Amanda.